Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your FICO score with myFICO, full guide step by step clearly. To verify your FICO score with myFICO, begin by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the myFICO website by typing in the URL. Once the home page loads, look for the Get Your FICO Score option. Click on that option to proceed. You will be directed to a page outlining the various FICO score products available. Choose the product that best suits your need, such as the FICO Score 8 or the FICO Score 9. After making your selection, click on the Get Started button. You will now need to create an account if you do not already have one. Select Sign Up or Create an Account. Fill in the required information, including your name, email address, and password. Make sure to use a strong password for security. Once you've completed the form, read through the terms and conditions. If you agree, check the box and proceed by clicking Continue. You may be prompted to verify your email address. Check your inbox for a verification email from myFICO. Click the link within the email to verify your account. Return to the myFICO website and log in with your new credentials. After logging in, you may be asked for additional personal information to confirm your identity. Provide your social security number, date of birth, and other relevant details. Once confirmed, you will be able to access your dashboard. Here, you can view your FICO score as well as additional credit information. Take note of your FICO score, as it will be displayed prominently on your dashboard. If you wish to obtain a detailed report, look for the corresponding link. Click on the link to view your complete credit report. You may have to agree to a fee for detailed reports, depending on the product you chose. Review your report for accuracy and any items affecting your score. If you find any discrepancies, follow the instructions provided to dispute them. Keep your login information secure for future access to your FICO score. Regularly checking your score can help you maintain a healthy credit profile. Now you know how to verify your FICO score with myFICO confidently. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.